Ever wondered why the Nasenaffen or proboscis monkey possesses such a peculiarly long nose? Welcome to the captivating world of Nasenaffen, unique primates found in the lush landscapes of Borneo. Renowned for their unusually long bulbous noses, particularly prominent in males, these creatures are as intriguing as they are distinct. Their lives are woven around mangrove forests and riverside areas, a setting that perfectly complements their herbivorous diet of leaves, fruits, and seeds. Social behavior is at the heart of Nasenaffen existence, with each group led by a dominant male. But life isn't all peaceful in the jungles of Borneo. Threats loom large over these unique primates. Habitat loss and hunting have pushed the Nasenaffen towards endangerment, making it a critical focus of conservation efforts. The life of a Nasenaffen is a fascinating tale of survival, adaptation, and social complexity. And this is just the beginning of their extraordinary story. Nasenaffen live in groups, but what determines who's in charge? Let's dive into the social structure of the Nasenaffen, also known as the proboscis monkey. These primates typically live in robust groups of 10 to 30 individuals. Each group is led by a dominant male, who asserts his authority over the rest of the troop. Now, you might ask, how is this dominance established? Interestingly, it's all about the nose. That's right, the male with the largest, most bulbous nose often commands the highest respect. This is a unique trait among Nasenaffen, as the size of a male's nose is a symbol of power and superiority. The groups themselves are a mix of females and their offspring. The females form strong bonds with each other, engaging in mutual grooming and care behaviors. Female Nasenaffen typically remain within their natal groups throughout their lives, whereas males may strike out to join other groups as they mature. Despite their close-knit communities, conflicts can sometimes arise within the groups. This is especially true among males, where disputes for dominance or mating opportunities can spark heated battles. However, these conflicts are a vital part of their social dynamics, contributing to the overall hierarchy within the group. Nasenaffen are also excellent swimmers, a trait that comes in handy when they need to escape predators or forage for food. They've been known to dive into water bodies in search of aquatic plants and fruits, demonstrating their adaptability to various environments. However, these fascinating creatures are currently endangered due to habitat loss and hunting. Their survival is threatened by human activities, such as deforestation and illegal hunting, making conservation efforts critical for their survival. In the face of these challenges, the social structure of Nasenaffen has proven to be resilient. Their intricate social dynamics and adaptability have helped them survive in their natural habitats despite the numerous threats they face. The social dynamics of Nasenaffen are as intriguing as their unique physical characteristics. Understanding these dynamics is key to protecting these unique primates and ensuring their survival for future generations. How do Nasenaffen communicate, and what is their diet like? Let's dive into the intriguing world of Nasenaffen communication and diet. Just like us humans, these remarkable primates have their own language of sorts. They communicate through a series of distinctive calls, such as grunts, honks, and squeals. These vocalizations serve a variety of purposes, from signaling danger to maintaining group cohesion. A particularly fascinating aspect is the role these calls play in establishing dominance hierarchies among males. The larger the nose, the more dominant the male, and the more impressive his calls, making him quite the charismatic leader. But it's not just about the calls. Nasenaffen also use their expressive faces as a communication tool. A raised eyebrow, a flared nostril, even a subtle shift in posture can convey a wealth of information to other members of the group. Their expressive faces, coupled with their unique vocalizations, indeed make Nasenaffen one of the most charismatic primate species. Now let's shift gears and talk about their diet. Nasenaffen are herbivores, feeding primarily on leaves, fruits, and seeds. But their diet is not as simple as it sounds. Their large stomachs contain specialized chambers that help them digest the tough leaves they consume. This is quite an adaptation. The combination of their diet and their specialized digestive system means that Nasenaffen spend a good portion of their day foraging and eating, making their mangrove and riverside habitats absolutely critical for their survival. But their diet isn't limited to leaves and fruits. They're also known to dive into water to forage for aquatic plants, showcasing their adaptability and resilience. This, coupled with their unique social behaviors and communication methods, makes Nasenaffen a truly fascinating species to study. Their expressive communication and specialized diet make Nasenaffen one of the most fascinating primate species. What are the bonds between female Nasenaffen, and what threats do they face? The social fabric of the Nasenaffen community is woven by the strong bonds formed between females and their offspring. These bonds, developed and nurtured over a lifetime, are the backbone of their complex social structure. Female Nasenaffen, unlike their male counterparts, often spend their entire lives within their natal groups. They form tight-knit circles of support, engaging in mutual care behaviors such as grooming, a crucial activity that not only maintains their health, but also strengthens their social bonds. The young are the heart of these groups, born after a gestation period of around 166 days. They are highly dependent on their mothers and the larger female community, which provides them with extensive care and protection. It's a testament to the cooperative spirit that permeates Nasenaffen society, a spirit that ensures the survival and prosperity of their community. However, this harmonious existence faces grave threats. The Nasenaffen's home, the lush mangrove forests and riverside areas of Borneo, is under siege. Deforestation for palm oil production, illegal logging, and human encroachment have resulted in severe habitat loss. These activities have fragmented the Nasenaffen's habitat, disrupting their social structures and making it harder for them to find food and shelter. Illegal hunting is another significant threat. Despite being protected by law, Nasenaffen are hunted for their meat and body parts, which are used in traditional medicine. This hunting pressure, combined with habitat loss, has led to a sharp decline in their numbers, pushing them towards the brink of extinction. But it's not all doom and gloom. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these unique primates. These initiatives focus on habitat preservation, law enforcement to curb illegal hunting, and educating the public about the importance of conserving these fascinating creatures. Despite their complex social bonds and specialized adaptations, the survival of Nasenaffen is under threat. The fate of these intriguing primates hangs in the balance, a testament to the intricate and delicate web of life on our planet. It's a reminder of our responsibility to protect and preserve the world's biodiversity for future generations. How do Nasenaffen reproduce and what's being done to conserve them? Let's dive into the fascinating world of Nasenaffen reproduction and the importance of conservation efforts to protect these unique primates. ProboscisMonkeys or Nasenaffen have a captivating reproductive biology. Females typically give birth to a single offspring after a gestation period of approximately 166 days. These newborns, utterly dependent on their mothers, receive extensive care and protection within the group. It's a survival strategy that ensures the young have the best chance to mature and thrive in their environment. But it's not just the females who play a significant part in the reproductive process. Male Nasenaffen have a unique feature known as a swollen vocal sac. This sac inflates when the males emit loud calls, particularly during mating displays or territorial disputes. It's a sight to behold and serves a dual function. It not only attracts females but also intimidates rival males, asserting dominance to retain control over the group. While the reproductive process of these monkeys is fascinating, their survival in the wild is under threat. Nasenaffen populations continue to decline due to human activities such as deforestation, habitat fragmentation, and illegal hunting. These threats are driving these unique primates closer to extinction. However, hope is not lost. Concerted conservation efforts are underway to ensure the survival of the Nasenaffen. These efforts focus on habitat preservation, anti-poaching measures, and raising awareness about the importance of these monkeys. These initiatives are aimed at not just protecting the Nasenaffen but also preserving the rich biodiversity of the Bornean forests they call home. In conclusion, the Nasenaffen, with their distinctive noses, unique vocalizations, and intriguing social structures, are a species worth fighting for. Their survival in the wild is a testament to their resilience and adaptability. However, their continued existence is dependent on our conservation efforts. Nasenaffen are resilient and adaptable, but their survival in the wild is dependent on our conservation efforts.